Welcome to Olier. The name Olier comes from the olive tree, an ancient symbol of wisdom, peace, and quiet strength. Olier serves as a companion for exploring the complete works of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother, a vast ocean of spiritual wisdom spanning over 60 volumes across their collected writings. Welcome to Olier version 3. There are 4 ways to explore these teachings. First pathway, seek. When seeking, a question is asked. For example, if the question is, how can we truly love? Olier will search not just for those specific words, but for passages that speak to the essence of the inquiry. Second pathway, find. This is for when the user knows exactly what is being looked for, a specific phrase, a remembered quote, or a particular term. Every search result offers 2 ways to deepen our searching. First way, clicking on the Text button leads directly into the book itself. Once inside the eLibrary, a quiet navigation bar settles at the bottom of the screen. On the left, a button returns the user to the search. In the center, the title of the book and the current chapter that being read is displayed. Pressing it allows the user to browse other chapters or different books entirely. On the right, a door opens to the conversation with Olier. Second way, clicking on the Oli button invites Olier to explain the passage, its meaning, its connections, its deeper significance. Exploration can also be refined. One may choose to search within all works together, or focus specifically on Sri Aurobindo's writings, or the Mother's words. After a search, a gentle invitation may appear. Olier Overview? Selecting this allows Olier to read through the search results and weave them together into a single reflection, a summary that honors the original teachings while offering a unified perspective on the question. Each day, Olier offers a reflection, a passage from Sri Aurobindo or the Mother matched to the current date. If a quote moves the user, it can be downloaded as an image to carry forward. The third way is to simply read. The complete works are available: Sri Aurobindo's collected works and the Mother's collected works. As the user reads, small Oli buttons appear nestled within the text. Clicking one allows the reader to ask Olier about that specific paragraph, what it means, how it connects to other teachings, or what practice it might suggest. The fourth way is to simply talk. Ask anything. Wonder aloud. Explore an idea. When Olier speaks, it does not speak alone. Small numbers appear within its responses. These are citations, links to the original passages that inform its words. Clicking on any one reveals exactly where that insight originates. Olier can speak in 2 ways. Plain Olier, direct and clear. Poetic Olier, flowing and expressive. The voice that best serves the moment can be chosen and changed at any time. Sometimes understanding comes not through words, but through seeing. When Olier shares a teaching that might benefit from visual form, a process, a relationship, or a progression of ideas, it can be asked to create a diagram. This may be a mind map, timeline, or flowchart, whatever form best captures the insight. Olier can also paint. If asked to visualize a teaching, Olier will create an image. Any image or diagram created is saved and can be downloaded. The collection can be browsed, sorted by date or type, and managed by selecting several at once for download, or clearing away what no longer serves. Conversations need not end when the user leaves. If a dialogue is given a name, Olier will remember it. Upon return, the conversation can continue exactly where it left off. Saved dialogues can be searched by title or sorted by date. Each one represents a chapter in an ongoing exploration. If the user wishes to take the conversation beyond the screen, it can be downloaded as a Word document, complete with every message, every source cited, every diagram rendered, and a summary of the exchange. Sometimes, questions reach beyond what is written in the primary texts. One might ask how the Mathri Mandir's architecture relates to integral yoga, or how the mother's educational vision compares to contemporary approaches. Olier can reach into the wider world to find connections, always bringing what it finds back to the light of these teachings. Wisdom, peace, and quiet strength. This is the promise of Sri Aurobindo's and the Mother's teachings. Welcome to a new way of exploring the light.